a shopping mall in Sunlitun in Beijing, China. And one thing China does is they get these companies like, look at that, Red Lobster that no American ever wants to go to anymore because their food is such garbage. And then they end up coming here. Here's another one that I love. Oh, here we go. Tommy Hilfiger, the ugly red, white, and blue clothes that nobody wants to wear anymore. They're there. Here, remember when you were a kid and your parents bought you Champion? Oh, there's Champion, the cheapest clothes on the planet ever made. If you went to school when you were a kid wearing Champion clothes, people used to make fun of you and get beat up all the time. You had to have Nike or Reebok or Adidas. Champion was the low grade of everything. Now it has a store here in a shopping mall. That's what's so funny here. And not only are there one store, oh, we got two stores, two Champion stores. Oh, and here we go, Fashion by Carhartt. Yeah, what you always think about is Carhartt and fashion. You know, Carhartt is known to be farmers' clothes. People that work in the fields when it's very cold. They make overalls and good hunting clothes, but not here in China. It's all about fashion. And let's see if we can find the Caterpillar store. Where are you at? Oh no, Caterpillar. Oh, you didn't survive, did you? You already went out of business because nobody wanted to buy Caterpillar clothes. But it used to be here. I promise you that. It was once here and now it's gone. It all come together too quickly. I don't know if they're stealing the Starbucks name and selling Yunnan Chinese coffee at twice the price, or if they're really a Starbucks, but now they're calling themselves Starbucks Reserve. Look at that, Starbucks Reserve. If this really is your Starbucks company, then your garbage coffee overpriced is pure diarrhea, and I'll never drink it again. So we come to Sunlitun in Beijing, China, and I come into Starbucks to get my normal favorite drink, and then I found some bullshit about this company, Starship Bucks, selling garbage coffee for more money. So now they don't serve any more venti coffees or grande coffees. All they sell now is talls. And this is my tall coffee. Yeah, this is a tall mocha, and now it costs me twice as much money for a tall mocha than it did for a venti mocha. So Starbucks, you can go eat a dick, motherfuckers. There's my bill. 67 kwai, which is almost $10 for a cup of coffee. 67 kwai for coffee, which is almost $10 US. So Starbucks, eat a dick, motherfuckers. Company. Try and pull some hijinks like this saying it's better coffee. You know you're full of shit. I'll never drink another Starbucks coffee again. Will you ever have Starbucks again? No. You like coming into a company that you give plenty of money to and then to be ripped off by them?
They're cheating.
You're cheating people. Yeah. Totally cheating people. Especially for a company that can't be franchised. So we know it's not the franchise people who own the company doing this. I know it's Starbucks. So, you lost a customer. I'll never drink another bag of your brand coffee again. It's this Starbucks. They think they're a bar now.